Hi guys, I'm JR and welcome to another episode of Scratch. So today we're going to make an amazing game called Meteor Dodge. So first let's create it. It will load and take some time. So I hope everyone is doing good, and let's take the sprite called Rocket Ship. Yeah, we got it. And let's go to costumes and delete Rocket Ship A, everything. We should do everything, but except Rocket Ship A. Delete. Okay. Now we will duplicate it and let's select the whole thing and point it to the right. We don't need this sprite. It's not real right. Okay. Okay. Let's do it like that. Okay. Okay. Now let's create some ovals so it looks like flames in rings that are coming out of the rocket. Let's make it to a bit of 14. We need the outline brightness. Okay. This is the color. This is the best color, and we don't need a fill. And yes, okay. Let's make it a little small. Ready. Okay. Let's make the bit backward. Okay. Let's do it the same. Again, but let's make a bigger oval. A little bit up. Okay, again. Okay. Okay. So it looks like rays coming out of the spaceship. Now let's do the script of the spaceship. Let's go to the events and drag the event flag clicked and go to the motion and go to X and Y. Let's make it to 0, both 0. Let's go to looks and let's take the show block and let's go to control and take the forever block. Go to motion and take the point towards mouse pointer and put it inside the forever block and take the move 10 steps, but 10 will be a very long, so let's make the 5. And let's take looks and let's take the next costume. Okay, let's change the size to maybe 45. Okay, so you see it's like rays coming out of the rocket. Okay, let's stop it and let's put a virtual background. Let's type for the background called stars. Okay, got it. Now it looks pretty better. Okay, now let's make a stopwatch so we can see how much time we are not out. Let's make a variable called time. Okay, and let's take the event flag clicked and let's go to variables and take set my variable. Instead of my variable, let's make it time. Okay, now go to the control and take the forever block and take the wait 1 second, but 1 second will be very long, so let's make to 0.1 And let's go to variables and change my variable. Let's, instead of my variable, let's make to time. And let's change to 0.1 again. Let's see. So you see the stopwatch. It's very nice. Now we must paint a sprite called Meteors. First convert to bitmap. And now let's paint it. Let's paint it like a teardrop. Okay. Now let's fill it. Okay. Now let's duplicate it about 3 times. Okay. And let's draw flames around it. Of course, flames color is red. Let's outline it. Okay. Let's make flames like this. Okay. And let's fill it. Okay. Let's do the same. Let's fill it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's fill it. Oh my god. Okay, now let's paint it again. That's one of my mistakes. Let's fill it inside. Okay, let's do it the last time. Okay, let's draw flames. Let's fill it. Okay. Okay, now let's draw some sparkles around it. Okay. Okay, do it again. Again. Okay. Let's reduce the size to about 45. Okay. Now let's do the script of the meteors. Let's go to events and take the event flag clicked. And let's go to the control and take the forever block. And let's go to the looks and take the hide option. And let's go to the control and take the wait 1 second. Okay, then we should go to operators and take the pick random 1 to 10. And let's also take the option called the slash. And let's fit it inside it. And let's pick instead of the 1, let's write 10. And instead of 10, let's write 50. And let's write here a 10 again. And let's add it in the wait 1 second. Okay, now let's go to the motion and take the set X option. Okay, now let's go to the operators again and take the pick random option. And let's add it there. And instead of 1, let's write -240. -240. And instead of 10, let's write 240. Okay, let's go to the motion again and take the set Y option. And let's change it to 180. And let's go to the motion. Yeah, we're in the motion, and take the point in direction. Okay, and again go to the operators and take the plus sign and also the pick random. and add it. And here let's add 180 plus pick random minus 25. Minus 25. No, 25. Where is it? Okay. And 25. Okay. And let's add it. Oh my god. Okay. And now let's go to the looks and take the show block. And let's again go to the control and take the block called repeat until, and go to the operators and take this block out of it. And let's go to the motion and take the Y position. Okay. And add it in the first and type in the second minus 160. Okay. Now add it in this repeat until. Let's go to the motion and take the move 10 steps. And let's go to the looks and take the next costume. And next, let's go to the control. I think. No, it's a sensing. Okay. Let's take this. Let's go to the control and take also this. If then. Let's take this. If touching mouse pointer, not mouse pointer. We need the rocket ship. And let's go to the control. Not events, I think events. Yes. And broadcast a message called game over. Okay. Okay, now let's put another script. Let's take, where is it? Yeah, wait. Let's take when I receive game over, and let's go to the looks and take the hide option and go to the control again and take the stop all, and instead of all, let's make the other scripts in sprite. Okay, then in here, let's test it. Let's wait for it. Okay, so if we want the meteors to explode, you should go to inventwithscratch.com and go to downloads and download all the explosive images. I don't need to because I already have it. Okay, let's download this. There's the explosive too. Okay, you got it. Open it and go to the costumes of it and upload it. Upload the costume, another costume. And let's pick all of it except the explosive 2, 4, 3. Okay. Now let's arrange it. Okay, now we arranged it. Now let's go to the explosive script. And as usual, let's take the when flag clicked and go to the looks and take the hide option. Then let's go to the events again and take the when I receive game over and go to the looks and switch costume to explosive 2. Okay, let's stop this and let's go to the motion and see this block. Take this and instead of random position, let's make to this rocket ship. Okay, now let's go to looks and take the show block. And let's go to the control and take the repeat block. Okay, and instead of 10, let's make to 8. And let's take the wait option. Instead of 1 second, let's make to 0.3 seconds. And let's go to looks and take the next costume. And let's take the hide option and put it underneath of the repeat 8. And take the wait 2 seconds block. Where's it? Yeah, we got it. Instead of 1, let's make it 2. And let's take the stopper. Okay, now let's look. Wow, okay, it looks awesome. Now we have to duplicate this. Let's duplicate, duplicate, duplicate as much as you want. Wow. And okay, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next episode. And bye bye.